Jake retired at 39. No lottery, no inheritance, no unicorn startup. He just understood one number that buys freedom. Today he works when he wants, travels when he wants, lives simply, quietly invested over $1 million. Jake followed FIRE, financial independence, retire early, not a scheme. Just brutal math most people never learn. Today, you will learn the math behind retiring early, your freedom number, the 4 FIRE levels, and the traps that ruin most people. The old retirement system was built for a different economy. Today, the math has changed. By the end of this video, you will know the exact number that makes work optional. This is Thinking Stick. No hype, just honest math. Most people misunderstand FIRE. It is not about quitting work forever. FIRE means reaching the point where work becomes a choice instead of survival. Jake still works. He just no longer needs to. Most finance videos avoid the real math. Let's fix that. The FIRE movement was built on one famous study by William Bengen. Bengen discovered that saving 25 times your yearly expenses could support lifelong withdrawals. That number is your FIRE number, your freedom number. Let's make this practical with real numbers. Spend $40,000 yearly. You need $1 million. Spend $80,000. You need $2 million. Your freedom number depends more on spending than income. Lower expenses reduce your freedom number faster than raises increase it. There are 4 levels of FIRE, each with different lifestyles and timelines. Lean FIRE means extreme saving and fast escape from work. Regular FIRE targets a comfortable middle-class lifestyle. Fat FIRE supports luxury but needs higher income or more time. Coast FIRE lets compound interest finish the work while you live more freely. For most people, Coast FIRE is the most realistic path. Now watch what happens when the math compounds over time. Jake earned $70,000 a year and saved half into index funds. Year 1 looked boring. Almost nobody sees results that early. By year 5, compounding finally started becoming visible. By year 10, his investments were growing faster than his contributions. By year 15, Jake reached $1 million and retired at 39. Most people think saving 50% is impossible. That is why FIRE is difficult. It demands sacrifice. Live disciplined for 15 years, or work for 40. Your savings rate controls your retirement timeline. Higher savings rates dramatically reduce working years. At extreme savings rates, retirement timelines collapse surprisingly fast. Most people save too little and never realize the math guarantees delayed retirement. Now let's cover the 3 biggest FIRE traps. Trap 1. Lifestyle inflation. Real FIRE discipline means investing every raise instead of upgrading your lifestyle. Trap 2. Panic selling during market crashes. FIRE investors keep buying during crashes because cheaper shares compound faster. Trap 3. Withdrawing too aggressively after retirement. Most early retirees use smaller withdrawal rates or side income for safety. Here is the deeper truth most finance creators avoid. FIRE is not really about money. It is about reclaiming your time. Every dollar saved buys future freedom. Here is your 4-step action plan. Step 1. Calculate your yearly spending and multiply it by 25. Step 2. Calculate your current savings rate. Most people overestimate how much they actually save. Step 3. Choose your FIRE level. Step 4. Open an investment account and automate investing. Most people never even calculate their freedom number, but FIRE is not for everyone. It requires years of discipline and sacrifice. The real danger is drifting through life without ever running the math. Now you can choose your future consciously. Jake gives one piece of advice to everyone considering FIRE. Buy freedom before buying stuff. Now let's set realistic expectations. Most FIRE journeys take 15 to 25 years of consistency. No matter your age, some version of FIRE is still possible. The real goal is making work optional. Most people will feel inspired for a week, then forget everything. But tonight, you actually started. Write your freedom number somewhere you can see daily. Jake proved the math works with consistency and discipline. Here is the deepest truth of all. Retirement is not an age. It is a number. If this changed your perspective, comment freedom. Like and subscribe if you want more videos that make money, freedom, and life easier to understand. Keep thinking. Stick.